finally figured out a design for the front wheel. So I'm doing like some claws right there on the front. That's the final design of it. I'm actually really happy about it. I think it's really gonna add to the bike and it's gonna make it look good overall. So we'll go ahead and get this off and let's cut it out. Let's see what it's gonna look like. That's it. I think that really pulled everything together. Man, look at that. I really like it. It kind of looked like claws coming down to grab. I really like that design with the rest of the bike. Wow, that looks so much better. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog, fine people of the world. If you are joining me for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video and share it to somebody that needs to see this. But check this out. OMG, check me out. The front wheel, the cover. I'm not sure if I like this design yet. I might be changing it, but everything else is looking good. And today we will be addressing the swing arm. And look what I found in my storage unit that I totally forgot about. So back in 2008, I think I got this wheel, and I was gonna do this same conversion on my GSXR, but I decided to go with a 240 instead and not as a bigger rim. So you all know Chip Foose. This is what I was gonna run on it with the 300 tire. Brand spanking new tire. Look, it still got the rubber, we still got the tag on it. Look at that, still got the tag on it. So we're gonna be taking this old swing arm off, putting that one on, and man, this thing is coming together so fast. Still working on putting the scales on the other fairing. Underneath here, I am waiting on some LED lights before I make my brake light right here, and I'm gonna put a brake light in between these, and this right here will be molded onto this so it doesn't look like a thong. So that's it for the tail. That's all I need to do on it. The seat's gonna get wrapped. The siding, I got something very special that I think I'm gonna do if I have time to do it. Here on the tank, before I could finish this part out, I got to get my other side of my fairing on, so I can't finish this out yet or put on my, I got a pop-up gas cap. But the front, everything is looking good, just like I like it. However, I am thinking about putting horns on it. I'm not 100% sure. I think I might just need to leave it alone. It looks good just like that. But anyway, down in the comment section below, let me know what you think. Let me know if I should add some horns or not. I don't know. I don't want to be too much, and then you know, sometimes I do want to go over the top. So just let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section below. All right, so we have a couple issues going on here. The way this frame is made, it kind of curves in just a little bit. So I'm about, I'll say about a 16th off from it fitting within the inside of this frame. I'll say about a 16th, I mean, barely anything. Maybe, I might say safely an 1/8 of an inch. Ain't no way of getting it in there. I'd say I need to shave it down about an 1/8 of an inch. I'll probably take a 16th on this side, and I'll take a 16th off on this side. Now, other issue. Down in here, let me set it up. The other issue is down in here, right here, these right here stick out way too far. So those will have to get shaved down too as well in order to make this work. That is the plan. Just like that, the swing arm is on. Everything works good in the right location. Now, the next thing I need to do is get this chain and sprocket aligned. And then once that is done, we'll work on putting the spring on, which the spring should line up. Oh, perfect. The spring area where the spring is gonna go is gonna line up perfectly at the right angle. And then we just might have to do some spacers right here for the drop. I don't know what you call these things. These little things right here. I can't think right now. I'm just so excited to have this on. But man, this looks incredible.